My favorite quote about failure from Zig Ziglar was that failure was an event, not a person. And that's what happens. We have a tendency to personalize setbacks. We have a tendency to go, something failed or something didn't go right, therefore I'm not right. I'm a failure. As opposed to, no, you're going to break some eggs while making an omelet. It's part of the deal. Now, you're hoping they're not too severe a setback. You hope they're not, terminal mistakes that are made. But ultimately, you have to learn from it. Jason Versay said, the best education we can ever receive is from the University of Adversity. It's the only institute of learning that rewards us when we fail. Some great stuff here. And then J.K. Rowling, who's one of the best-selling authors of all time, the Harry Potter series, single mom. She was on food stamps in Scotland at one stage. And she goes, failure's not fun. It can be awful, but living so cautiously that you never fail is worse. And that's the question. And I'll be candid with you. I've had seasons where it's hit me one after another, after setback, and I'm known as that gritty, grinding, driving guy. But there's times I've thought maybe I just shouldn't put myself out there. And you have those thoughts, but at the end of the day, it's about putting yourself out there. It's about being in the game, because that's what the good life is. Otherwise, you're just not living.